Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Today we are looking at it's the 25th of August 2026, and today we are looking at what we did yesterday, or rather, what I did yesterday. I was not able to post this analysis yesterday. I was pretty much on the move, traveling. So I'm back today. So let's just do a quick recap of what I did yesterday. Um, and yesterday I was looking for potential sales below this level here. We never got the triggered for the sales. As for the buys, we were looking for potential sell buys above this level here. My trigger for the buy was this candle. Once this candle closed above our level here, though we didn't close with some good bullish momentum, we got this very long rejection, and it didn't give me confidence in taking this trade here. So I was waiting for a candle to close above this week here, which you got. You got this candle closing above the week. So once you got this, what I was looking for was a retest and rejection, which you got from this candle here. This candle retested our level, got rejected. Then after this rejection, my entry, I placed a buy limit here, targeting this level here. This was my TP1, TP2. So once it got activated by this candle, once the buy limit got activated, price tried to push up. We were having some pretty good, we were having some resistance here. You can see how many candles. One, two, this is how many candles? One, two, three, four, five. Five candles got rejected here. So if had we broken above this level here, I knew we were going to get to this level. So, but didn't happen. At 6:30 p.m., we had this candle pushing down. At this time, I was not even on the charts. Once I placed the trade, I let it run. So I was not watching the chart. So this candle came all the way down here, almost hit my stop loss. Then we had a slight pullback here. Then the next candle came, and then this one pulled back here, and boom, hit our stop loss. It's the first time we're hitting a stop loss this month. Is the first stop loss we've hit this month. So far, I've executed 8 trades using this strategy alone. I've executed 8 trades. I've won 5 out of the 8. Five trades have hit TP. Two closed at break even, and then one, which was yesterday. Now we hit our stop loss. I hit my stop loss. Okay, so uh, so that was yesterday's trade. So let's look at the calendars, see what we have today. Hopefully today we get some good moves. So on Monday we had this trade here. We had this medium impact data coming out at 8 p.m. on the USD. Treasury Secretary Besant speaks. I've not really gotten to see what he said, but excuse me, judging from the market, mm, we didn't have much reaction to whatever he had to say. Well, we had some negative reaction on gold. Gold dropped. All this we had this drop on gold. So I'll have a look at what he said and see how that affected the market. So on today Tuesday at 5 p.m. We have some CB consumer confidence, that is medium impact. On Wednesday we are looking at 3:30 p.m. We have some prelim GDP price index quarter over quarter, and also medium impact. On Thursday we have some medium impact, the unemployment claims coming in at 3:30 p.m. Then all day we'll be having the Jackson Hole Symposium. This It's an economic policy symposium held in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It is attended by central bankers, finance ministers, academics, and financial market participants from around the world. The meetings are closed to the press, but officials usually talk with the reporters throughout the day. Comments and speeches from the central bankers and other influential officials can create significant market volatility. So I just wanted you to understand why this could affect the market on Thursday and on Friday, I believe. It goes for 2 days. Yeah, on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so if you'll be trading on Thursday, watch out for this. It's an economic symposium, as you've seen, attended by some influential people in the by central bankers and finance ministers. So whatever they decide on, whatever they deliberate on, whatever they discuss, once it gets to the press, this could cause volatilities in the market. The market may be a bit choppy the last 2 days of the week. That's the Friday. So trade carefully. Don't risk too much on your capital, and risk management is always key. So on Friday, we'll be looking at some high impact news. Fed Chair Wash speaks, and we have the prelim benchmark payrolls revision. That's on Friday at 5 p.m. And then we have the Jackson Hole Symposium all day. Okay, so watch out for that. Apart from that, watch out for any breaking news that could affect the market. That is in regards to the conflict between Iran and the US. Keep an eye out for anything that may pop up, high impact, breaking news. They really affect the market. You've seen this month what we've been experiencing on gold because of this breaking news out of nowhere. Just someone tweets, then the markets are just volatile and all over the place. So watch out for that. Apart from that, uh, hopefully we get some good moves today. So let's see what we have today. We are going to remove everything here. We remove everything here. Start a fresh analysis on the 1 month. And on 1 month, we are looking at, we're just identifying our levels of resistance and support. We have our level of resistance up there. That's our level of resistance. We have our levels of support down here. That's on the monthly. On the weekly, we have our support down here. For the resistance, I would not pick this resistance here because you see we've already broken above this resistance here. So for the resistance, I'll be concentrating on this level here. This is our weekly resistance. Yeah, that's our weekly resistance there. On the daily we had this break of structure here. We had this break, then a pullback, then boom, that break there. So what I'm focusing on, that's our support there on the daily, and this is our resistance here. Jump down to 4 hours. On 4 hours we had this break of structure here on 4 hours. We had a break of structure there on 4 hours. After that break, we've gotten a change of character, I believe. We have a 4 hour change of character here. Is from the 4 a.m. candle. Do we really? No, we don't have it. We don't have it. We don't have it. Okay, so we are concentrating on that level there. Uh, delete this one. We had this break here. So our 4 hour resistance is down here. For our support is down here. For our resistance up here. But I would just pick this one here. Let me just use that candle there. So we didn't have a break, so I'll stick to that. Yeah, I'll stick to that. We know what to do when you get to 4 hours. Bring that to the body there. Identify the wick as a target. That's our target there. Identify that wick there. Same thing here. Same thing we do here. We are going to identify the wick there. So these are 4 hour range here. We have a very good range there on 4 hours. We have a very good 4 hour range there to work with. And now we jump to 1 hour. On 1 hour, we are looking at pretty much the same levels. We had this break here. We had a break there. Then we had a change of character. No, we didn't get the change of character. So 4 hour, 1 hour, same levels. Okay. So because this is the 8 a.m. candle, yeah, on 4 hours and on 4 hours and on 1 hour, we are watching pretty much the same levels. So there's nothing to adjust there. Nothing to adjust there. Here's the 8 a.m. candle. Yeah. So on 30 minutes is where we try and get our entries from. So on 30 minutes, we're also looking on at the same levels. This is the high on the 30 minutes candle. Then we have this low here on the 30 minutes candle. But we had this resistance here before the 8 a.m. candle. We had this resistance here. So this was a very good entry here. This was a good entry here. Uh, 30 minutes. So this was a good entry here. This was the entry you should have taken here. Potential buys above this level here and targeting these levels here. For the sales, I would be looking for sales below this level here. Now this would be my potential safe sales. Potential sales below this level here. So this is how the market is looking today. On this zone here, I wouldn't be trading. I wouldn't be caught trading this zone. You won't catch me trading within this zone here. So if you get the buys, long position here, take the market all the way up to this level here. Stop loss just below that level there. For the short position, I'll be looking to take a trade from here. If we get a sell, stop loss just above that level there, and taking it down to, let's see what we have on this other side. I like to target the 4 hour liquidity. If you've been following me, you already know what I do. You already have my strategy. My strategy is pretty much simple. So this will be my target here. I'll be targeting this 4 hour liquidity here. So this will be my target here. Okay. If we break below that level, then is the next level we'll be looking at. But first, I'll be targeting this level here. On the buy side, I'll be targeting this level here. If we get some good momentum, then we can take it up to this level here. Okay. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Well, target that level there, or you could target well, for that sell, I wouldn't take it there because it's I always take anything above 2 is okay here, unless I adjust that one there and take it there. But this would be a good level to take this trade to, that level there. That would be a good sell. For the buys, we have that weak rejection there. So stop loss just there. And then you can see we got a break, retest and rejection, then an entry, push the market up to this level here, safest level here. If you want more, if you want to push it higher, you could take your profits here. That is if we get some good momentum. But for me, I'll be taking my profits there. That's why I'll be taking my profits. I'm already in this trade. Yeah, I've already taken this trade. And this is how it looks. This is how this trade looks like. So I'm expecting to hit TP here. Hopefully, we get our TP there. We could have some resistance here. So this is TP1, TP2, TP3, and we are done. So this is what I'll be focusing on today. Remember, guys, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. And remember, this is not financial advice to trade. Before executing any trade, do your own research and trade responsibly. Remember, you could very easily lose your capital. Trading involves some significant risk on your capital. So risk management and responsible trading is what I would advise. Okay, so I'm done for today. I'll see you tomorrow for a recap of what we have here, and hopefully, yeah, it will be a peaceful day. I'm out, guys. Happy hunting. Happy hunting to all of you. Okay. May today be good to all of us. May we have a peaceful day. I'm out, guys. Ciao.